Alam nyo, kapag naglalakad tayo inside the township, usually buildings, restaurants, landscaping at city lights ang unang napapansin natin. Pero during one of my night walks here in Newport City, may unexpected akong nakita. Mga pusa! At hindi lang sila basta mga pusang gumagala. May designated areas na may pagkain at tubig at mukhang kilala at regular silang inaalagaan ng mga tao rito. Doon ko aksidenteng nalaman ang tungkol sa tinatawag na Cats of Newport City. It is a volunteer-driven community of cat lovers helping care for the community cats around the township. They help provide food, monitor the cat's condition, assist with rescues, and look for foster homes or adopters. Kasama rin sa kanilang ginagawa ang spaying and neutering para humanly at responsibly makontrol ang kanilang population. Kaya mas appropriate silang tawaging community cats, mga pusang maaaring walang isang permanent owner, pero may isang community na nagmamalasakit sa kanila. And what makes this more interesting is that Newport City is not the only Mega World Township with this kind of initiative. Sa McKinley Hill, may volunteer group na tinatawag na Cats of McKinley. Sila rin ang tumutulong sa feeding, monitoring, adoption, at CNVR or catch, neuter, vaccinate, and return. Sa Eastwood City, meron ding Cats of Eastwood, a volunteer-run community dedicated to protecting and caring for the cats living within the township. These groups are independently led by volunteers and cat advocates, kaya hindi natin dapat isipin na may naglagay lang ng mga pusa sa townships. These cats were already part of the area, and concerned residents, employees, establishments, and volunteers came together to care for them. Of course, being pet-friendly requires responsibility. Hindi sapat ang basta pagpapakain, mahalaga rin ang proper feeding stations, cleanliness, vaccination, kapon, medical care, and coordination with volunteers and township management. And for me, this reveals another side of a township living. A good community is not measured only by its beautiful buildings, accessibility, or conveniences. Makikita rin ito sa paraan ng pagtrato nito sa animals and other vulnerable members of the community. So if you see these cats during your next visit, please respect their space. And if you want to help, reach out to their official volunteer pages. Again, my name is Jovi, your property specialist. See you soon! Bye!